Beef jerky is a tasty and convenient snack that's perfect for on the go. But did you know that you can easily make it at home in your oven? In this video, we'll show you how to make delicious beef jerky in your oven. Here's what you'll need. 1 pound of lean beef, such as flank steak or sirloin. 1/4 cup of soy sauce. 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Step 1. Slice your beef into thin strips, about 1/4 inch thick. Step 2. In a bowl, mix together the soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, brown sugar, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper to make the marinade. Step 3. Add the beef strips to the marinade bowl, making sure they're completely coated with the marinade. Step 4. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 2 hours, or overnight for best results. Step 5. Preheat your oven to 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Place a baking rack on top of a baking sheet. Step 6. Remove the beef strips from the marinade and place them on the baking rack, making sure they're not touching each other. Step 7. Place the baking sheet in the oven and bake for 3 to 4 hours, or until the beef jerky is dry and chewy. Step 8. Once the beef jerky is done, remove it from the oven and let it cool on the baking rack for at least 10 minutes. Step 9. Store your homemade beef jerky in an airtight container or plastic bag for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy!